Transform your intricate Blender scenes into stunning, shareable visuals by mastering the art of rendering and saving your images. First, let's choose our render engine. For most users, Eevee offers real-time rendering, perfect for quick previews and animated sequences, while Cycles provides physically accurate ray tracing for photorealistic results, though it takes longer. Next, we'll adjust the output settings. Navigate to the output properties here. You can set the resolution of your final image. A standard HD resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels, but you can choose whatever suits your needs. Crucially, we need to decide where to save our masterpiece. Under the output section, click the folder icon to browse and select your desired save location. Give your file a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Now, for the file format, click the drop-down menu next to file format. PNG is excellent for transparency and high quality. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes, and TIFF is ideal for professional workflows requiring lossless compression. Choose the format that best suits your project. Once your settings are finalized, it's time to initiate the render. Go to the render menu at the top and select render image. Blender will then begin processing your scene. After the render completes, your image will appear in a new window. To save it, simply go to the image menu in that render window and select save, as your chosen file format and name will be pre-filled. So just click save.